Well, today I'm going to break stride and change the oil on I think it's a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. And so if you're interested in learning how to change your oil on one of these Japanese things, stick around. Alright, the first step is I always like taking the oil fill cap off just so air can flow through these Toyota engines. You know, so there, we took the cap off. It gets 6.2 quarts of 0W20. So if you watch my other video with my truck, which gets 5W30, I don't understand why they got such thin oil, but evidently it's something to do with the valve train or something. So anyways, let's get on to this. So on this here Toyota, it seems to be pretty easy to get to everything. There's a drain plug, and the oil filter is right up there, so everything is within easy reach. Maybe that's why everybody brags on these Toyotas. So anyways, let me start draining the oil, and you can see that all I need is a wrench, and I'm going to use a crescent wrench and an oil filter tool to remove that one, and that's it. And then we'll put it back in, and then we'll use a funnel and put the 0W20 in this puppy. So here we go. Here we go. I got my giant crescent wrench for a lot of torque, because I'm sure it was there we go. I forgot to put my gloves on, my cheap gynecologist gloves. So I'm trying to do this without getting splashed. So, and we all know how thin this shit's gonna be, so there we go. Man, I like Toyota. It's straight down, that whole gravity thing. Unlike my Ford, where it shoots out to the back and through the skid plate and around the corner and all that other shit. So smells clean, but we're gonna change it anyways. Man, there's a lot of easy access to everything on this. They must be decent engineers. Edit all this out, Thomas, but you're doing a great job, man. You should try it. Think about a career in videography.
Edit all the draining.
I gotta piss now. When you get old,
you gotta piss every 50 seconds.
And when you hear running water, man, this is like easy to get to everything. Now I know why everybody's all jazzed up about Toyotas.
I mean, it's all just right down there?
Yeah, man. Look at everything. I bet you I could change the oil pan gasket. Oh, it's got two-piece oil pan. Yeah, and the steering rack and pinion right there. I mean, it's all easy to get to. You can get to the bolts.
Well, it was easy to put the lift on it too when you did that. Look at all the scrapes I realized I got down here.
Yeah, that part isn't lifted.
Off-roading. They make a full body skid plate for this.
Yeah. This is only two-wheel drive though, right?
Yeah.
But you can see right where they have
all the
transfer case and all that. If you had a
four-wheel drive one.
Yep.
I don't know if they make the 4-cylinder in four-wheel drive.
Why wouldn't they?
We could chop the exhaust, see how it sounds.
I got a sawzall on the back of the shit box.
No, we don't need to chop it. I mean, we can unbolt it.
No, man, we'll saw it. So we'll put a cherry bomb on it.
That's what I'm saying. That's a big, long exhaust.
You got it looks like two catalytic converters, and yeah, I think we're about done.
What do you think would happen if we popped it off? Do you think it'd sound good?
No, it would sound terrible. And then you probably
sound like a weed whacker.
And then you'd probably like burn a valve.
Miles a gallon.
Have any issues on the way back to Ruston? Like, oh wait, Wayne, my car won't run. it won't even turn over for some reason. I think it's that
Earl. It's that Earl guy.
Earl, the auto mechanic that did my oil change for free. Whee! Alright, now the next one's a hard one. This is the one that Alright, the next thing is I'm gonna break loose the oil filter. Ooh, it's like hand tight. Whoever did this They sure didn't have it on there very tight. So, I'm going to try and do this without getting it in my eye, which is usually how I do things. This is a Toyota filter.
Yeah.
So, fuck. Like I said, I hate Toyotas. Son of a bitch, now it's going everywhere. At least I didn't drop it in the oil pan and have it splash up and get in my eye.
Yeah.
Oh, look, it ran down my arm, into my armpit. Oh, the used autumn oil. We'll let it drain a little bit more. Hopefully this isn't cancer causing.
Everything's a carcinogenic.
Oh, true. True, very true. Man, you should just drop out of school and become my videographer. We could make like $5-6 a day on this shit. Split 2 ways.
Make $2 a day.
That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go this way. Hopefully I don't get it on my expensive Apple Watch. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I don't know if you got the right filter, man. Your dad got it?
No, I got it.
Where'd you get it?
NAPA.
You just went and said I need...
2017 4-cylinder Tacoma filter.
It's filming?
Yep.
All right, what I usually do then is take some of the used oil and lubricate the gasket. See that sensuous lubrication right there? And then put it back up, and I usually just do a hand tight if my hand isn't oily. And which is usually more than good enough. As we don't want Thomas's truck to lose oil pressure at a high rate of speed while eating a Whataburger. All right, we're good. Am I good?
Go ahead.
How's my hair look? All right, so now I get 6.2 quarts, but I think it only gets 6 now because the it looks like the NAPA Gold filter is a little bit smaller. So we're gonna put 6 quarts of 0W20 Mobil 1 full synthetic in this puppy. Or, yeah, I guess it's a puppy. A full-grown dog would be like the Tundra or something like that. So. All right. Well, you don't have to watch all this, but if you liked it and it helps you out, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. And thank you for all the support. Bye.